Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to put together all the rendered scenes of your animation. All the video files exported from CrazyTalk Animator 3.1. I will be using Premiere Pro again, as I said in an earlier lesson. If you want to know how to use an editing software for animation, I recommend getting our course using an editing software for animation. You can get it at our website 2danimation101.com. Okay, this step is super simple. I already have the animatic, so all I'm going to do is I created a folder inside Premiere Pro, and now I just uncollapse it like this. Now it's open, and now I'm going to go to my project files, then select the rendered scenes and select all the files, then click and drag and put them here. Okay, now all I'm going to do is change each of the scenes right here, each of the animated scenes, and put them, actually let me use white, all the animated scenes and put them in here. Super simple. I just click and drag holding Alt, and that switches the panel with my animated scene. And then in fast forward, I do the exact same thing with all the other scenes, and now I have my animation ready. Perfect. Okay, congratulations. Now you are ready to start your own animated series. Now in the next lesson, I will be sharing you some final thoughts and one extra tip before we finish with this course, okay? See you in the next lesson.